Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you who've watched my videos this year. I'm so appreciative of that. It's helped my channel grow. We're still a tiny channel, but we're getting there. And I see improvements every time someone subscribes or puts a like for my videos, and I'm so thankful for that. So I wish you a very happy holiday season, a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a wonderful time this year with your friends and loved ones. And thank you again for watching my videos.